friends, welcome back to my channel Rosy Craft Tube. Click on the subscribe button to watch more such videos. It's free and would mean a lot to me. Also press on the bell icon to stay notified when I upload a new video. I upload new videos on every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. In this video, we will learn how to make an easy kit for dad using popsicle sticks. This can be used as wall hanging. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the tutorial. Take some colorful popsicle sticks and jute twine. You will need 10 to 12 popsicle sticks for this. Stick the popsicle on the twine using glue gun. Write your thoughts for your dad. And now your gift is ready. I hope you like it and will make it. If you do, then don't forget to send me the picture or videos of your crafts in my DMs of Instagram. Thank you guys. Click on the like button if you really enjoyed the tutorial. If you have any suggestions or requests, please let me know on the comment section below. Do follow me on Instagram and Facebook. You can order our crafts, and for contact details, please do check the description box below. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you all.